Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Sharma and I am the veterinary student at Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Today in this video we are going to talk about the top 10 colleges in India. NEET exam is over and now those who want to take admission in veterinary colleges, the biggest problem is in front of them is choosing a college. Every year VCI conduct the counseling for admission in veterinary colleges across the India. When it comes to preferences in counseling, you should know where you are going to take admission in. Here we are going to know about top 10 colleges of India. We have discussed 4 points of them. The first one is the ICR ranking, but this is not a proper point because this is the ranking that ICR India has released on the basis of agriculture colleges. So you guys can have an idea a little bit about veterinary colleges also. The second one is the fees. This point may be useful to many students who are looking for a college on the basis of fees. The third one is the internship stipend. Stipend is a big issue nowadays because a very less stipend is given in veterinary colleges as compared to MBBS. The fourth point is the college campus. We have given them a number out of 10 on the basis of campus facilities, green area, transport and surrounding environment. So let's talk about this. At the end of this video, we are also going to get you the virtual campus tour of number 1 college. The 10th number college is Bombay Veterinary College. This college is located in Parel area of Mumbai, Maharashtra. The college comes under the Maharashtra Animal and Fisheries Sciences University, Nagpur, that have the 29th rank according to ICR India. The fees is around 53k. The stipend is 7,000, which is okay looking at other colleges. We have given the 8.5 numbers considering the campus, which is located in a very nice area and facilities are. Ninth college in this series is NTR College of Veterinary Sciences, Gannavaram, which is located in Gannavaram, Andhra Pradesh. The college comes under Sri Venkateshwara Veterinary Universities with the rank of 109. Fees is 29k and the stipend is 9k. We have given 9 marks out of 10 for this campus. Transport is very good because of Vijayawada city nearby that have rail connections across the India. The campus is pretty green and surrounding is good too. The 8th college is College of Veterinary Sciences, Hisar, which is located in Hisar, Haryana. The college comes under the Lala Lajpat Rai University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, which got 28th rank from ICR India. Fees is 60k, stipend is 17k, which is highest among the colleges mentioned so far. Campus got 8.5 marks for good facilities and transport and green environment. The 7th one college is College of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, Mathura, which is located in Uttar Pradesh state of India. The college comes under Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Pasu Chikitsa Vigyan Vishwavidyalaya एवं गो अनुसंधान संस्थान with the rank of 57. The fees is 32k and the stipend is only 3.5k, which is very low. The campus got 8.5 marks out of 10. The 6th rank of this series is captured by Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, which is one of the best university in the country. We are not mentioning the ranking of this college because the admission of veterinary in this university has started in recent year. The fees of this college is 55k and the stipend is 23.5k, which is highest among the all colleges. Campus got 9 marks out of 10, and the special point about this is if you want to spend your time with culture, then this is a great option. The 5th college is Veterinary College, Bikaner, that comes under Rajasthan University of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Bikaner. The university got 44 rank by ICAR India and also have Camel Research Center. The fees is very low, that is 15k, and stipend is 6.5k only. The campus got 7 marks out of 10. At the rank of 4th, there is a college of Tamil Nadu state which is Madras Veterinary College. The college comes under Tamil Nadu Veterinary and Animal Sciences University with the rank of 22. The fees of this college is 22.5k and the stipend which is given by the college is 10.5k. The campus got 7.5 marks out of 10 with a pretty good environment. Now let's talk about the top 3 colleges of India. The third one is College of Veterinary Science, Ludhiana. The college comes under Gadwasu that have 7th rank in ICAR Agriculture Universities. The fees is little bit high, that is 98k, and stipend is 6k. Campus got 8.5 marks out of 10. The campus is quite good. According to us, Punjab is such a place where students coming from anywhere in the country will not face any problem like weather or food. The second one college is College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Pantnagar, that comes under GB Pant University of Agriculture and Technology. The university has got 5th rank in ICAR India. The Pantnagar is a industrial town situated in Uttarakhand state. The fees is 57k and the stipend is 3k. Campus got 8 marks out of 10. The last one in this series and the most prestigious college in India for veterinary sciences is the ICAR Indian Veterinary Research Institute. The college is situated in Ijjatnagar town of Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. The IVRI is a deemed university itself that got 4th rank in ICAR India. The fees is the college for first year is 29k and stipend is 3k. Campus got 9.5 marks out of 10. It is the oldest college in the country, and if you want to come to veterinary college, this college is going to be the best college for you. The campus here is big and green, hostel facilities are good, you will get basic facilities like post office, bank and hospital in the campus itself. In our next video, we are going to make a complete video on the admission process of IVRI. Now enjoy the beautiful scenery of IVRI.